guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. Since the festive season is about to begin, I'm here to share my go-to and my favorite makeup look. That's the one that I'm wearing right now. This is like the most easiest makeup look that you can do. And we're going to make this entire session a bit chit-chatty. I asked you guys to ask me a few questions on my Instagram and you sent in a lot of questions. So we're just going to answer that, do the makeup tutorial, and we'll see how things go. Also, the Amazon Freedom Sale is going to start. So if you like any of these products, all of the links will be mentioned down in the description box below. So do check that out and let's begin. So I have all the questions right here, so let's just begin. I'll just pin my hair so they're out of my face. Before we begin with everything, I'm just going to apply some lip balm and then move on to primer. Using the Plum Prep Set Go primer, and the first question that we have is a memory from your influencer journey that you will never forget. I feel like meeting Deepika Padukone has to be one of the most memorable thing that has happened over the past few years. I mean, like, obviously there are multiple things, but meeting Deepika Padukone was insane. I have adored her since I was a kid, and I feel like it was extra special because I got to meet her because of my work and not just like a random fan accident meetup. So that was really great. The next question is, what is your height, age, and where do I live? So I'm not comfortable telling where do I live, but I'm a Mumbai girly. That is all I will say. But apart from that, my height is 5'2" and my age is 27. Oh my god, that feels so weird to say it out loud, but yeah, I'm 27. The next question is, why don't you start vlogging? So I have thought about vlogging, but I just feel like I will miss out living my life if I start vlogging, because I have this thing that I want everything in order. I want things to be aesthetic and everything, and vlogging just has to be raw, and that just gets to me. For my blush, I'm using the Tipsy Beauty Cushion blush. I'm using the shade Strawberry Champagne. I absolutely love this. The next question is, how are you doing IRL? Well, I am doing really well, touch wood. But yeah, I mean, there's been like a few ups and downs, obviously, and I haven't been extremely active on my Instagram. Losing the followers, dropping of the engagement is really hampering with everything, but I'm still trying to stay positive throughout whatever is going on. I'm just hoping that I need to, it just like, the only thing that I'm realizing is that I need to work even more harder if all of these things are happening. So I need to change something, fix something. So if you guys have any recommendations of what you would like to see, then please drop it down in the comments. Now that all the cream and liquid products are done, before setting my under eyes, I'm just going to spray this setting spray. The next question is, what are you watching? So I'm not watching anything currently. I was rewatching Modern Family because I didn't have anything new to watch, but I'm really excited for Emily in Paris. Okay, we are close, but I'm going to start doing my eye makeup, and I really wanted to give you guys a close-up. And for my eye makeup, I'm using my most favorite palette and my go-to palette, and that is the Makeup Revolution palette. So I'm using the Forever Flawless Allure palette, and this literally has all of the shades that you need for the festive season. So the next question is, how do I deal with down days? Well, I just sit in my bed, do nothing. I will watch some series that is my comfort series, or I will just do absolutely nothing. I don't force myself to work. I don't force myself to do something productive. I will just feel whatever I'm feeling, because I know that in the end I'll just bounce back and I have to get back to my regular life. I can't just sit in bed, and I'm not that person to just like sit and sulk over things. Like, I will sulk, but I will take the time, and that is it. That is how I deal with. And then I also have my mom, my best friends to talk to. Then I just go there. This next question is really fun, and that is 5 random facts about me. Well, I am a planner, okay? I need everything planned. Like, I will make PPT presentations, Excel sheets, and everything if I'm planning something. Then my expressions are of no use. Like, if I feel something you're going to see it on my face. My words and my expressions don't really coordinate if I'm not a fan of the entire situation that's happening. I am an ambivert, so initially opening up to people is a huge task for me. But once I'm comfortable with them, I'm like, all good. Also, I believe in like really low effort friendship. I'm not saying that don't be there for your friends, but like all the friends that I have, I am like, all of us are just being okay with, if you know, if we don't have like regular updates of our life, we're not constantly stuck to our phones discussing every minute life update. But whenever we catch up, oh my god, it's fun, and it just feels like we just picked up from where we left the last time, and that is what I love. And touch wood, like all of my friends are like that, so yeah, touch wood. And the last fact has to be that I stress clean. Whenever I'm stressed, my biggest stress buster is to clean. Like I will clean a clean wardrobe if it is just going to calm me down. So that is it for my eyeshadow. This is such a versatile look. You can actually wear it with any Indian outfit for that matter, and you can add a liner if you want to go bold. You can add a kajal if you want more drama to your eyes, but I'm just going in with a mascara right now because I want that clean girl festive beautiful makeup look. Next is, who is your best friend? So I'll just insert a picture for you guys to see us together, and we've been friends since our childhood. I think we've been friends for like almost 20 years, and that feels unreal to just say it out loud. But yeah, I mean, we've practically grown up together, and she's like the complete opposite of me. Okay, she is not what you see. She's a polar opposite of me. Just taking whatever product is left in the wand and setting my eyebrows. The next question is, do you have a thrift store? Love your fits. So thank you so much for loving the fits. And yes, I do have a thrift store. I am currently not active on it, which I feel really sad about, because there's just like a lot going on in my life, and managing a thrift store is difficult because you're dealing with a lot of people. The people who actually follow me, they are very calm with placing their orders, but people who don't really follow me, they're just like panicking, is this real, is this fraud, or everything. So that takes up a lot of time. Okay, this is going to be the last question because we are on the last step, and that is lipstick. And the question is, what are your plans for Ganpati this year? You guys know that I love doing Ganpati decorations every year, and this year I have planned something really great. I wanted to do this last year, but I didn't have the time for it. But since I am here this year and I'm not traveling anywhere, I do feel like I will execute whatever I have in mind, and you guys will obviously see it. I'm planning to make like a DIY series for it instead of like just one entire video, so stay tuned for it. Also, I don't think this look is like a matte lipstick look, so I'm just going to go in with this Laneige lip balm to add that gloss look. And that is the complete makeup look. I absolutely love it. You guys already saw it in the intro, but that is how I achieved the look, and I love the clean minimal girl makeup look that this one is. Perfect for the festive season. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon.